In this tutorial, I'll show you how to freeze and unfreeze columns in Jotform Tables. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign into your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Tables. Find the table you want to edit, then click View Table to open it. Locate the column you want to keep visible while scrolling. Click the column header, then click the three-dot menu at the top of the column. Select Freeze Column. The selected column will stay fixed on the left side of the table, making it easier to reference important information as you scroll through the rest of your data. If you want to remove the frozen column later, click the same column header, open the three-dot menu again, and select Unfreeze Column. The column will return to its normal position and scroll with the rest of the table. That's how to freeze and unfreeze columns in Jotform Tables. Thanks for watching.